Using the Site Overview page to understand site health. The Site Overview page in the Bigleaf Cloud Connect Dashboard gives you a quick way to understand the overall health of a location. From a single view, you can identify potential issues, understand how Bigleaf is responding to changing network conditions, and evaluate the resulting performance and reliability. In this walkthrough, we'll explore how the different insights work together to provide a complete picture of site health. When reviewing a site, the best place to start is the Current Site Condition section at the top of the page. This area provides a quick snapshot of anything that may require attention. In this example, the dashboard shows one active alert for elevated alarm levels on the WAN 3 and Seago 5G circuit. Alongside the alert, the circuit status panel shows the condition of each WAN connection, while the device status panel shows how connected Bigleaf routers are operating. In this example, the site has a single primary Bigleaf router connected. Additional warm spare or high availability routers would also be displayed here. Together, these widgets help answer an important first question. Does this site need attention right now? More importantly, they help teams quickly determine whether users may be experiencing a connectivity issue, identify where the issue is occurring, and understand whether it is isolated to a specific circuit or impacting the site more broadly. In this case, the site is still operating, but WAN 3 appears to warrant further investigation. Once we've reviewed the overall site condition, we can move into the Traffic Insights section. This area helps us understand how Bigleaf is responding to network conditions, how traffic is being used, and the overall performance of the site. Because all of these insights share the same reporting timeframe, we can adjust the period to match what we're trying to understand. If we're investigating a recent issue, we may choose a shorter timeframe, like the last 15 minutes or last hour. If we're looking for recurring issues or longer-term trends, we can expand the view out to 90 days. The first part of Traffic Insights is the Bigleaf Optimization section. Bigleaf continuously evaluates circuit conditions every 10 seconds and automatically adapts to help maintain application performance and reliable connectivity. Unlike solutions that require extensive application policies and routing rules, Bigleaf automatically identifies and prioritizes application traffic and determines how traffic should be handled based on real-time network conditions. These insights help answer an important question. What is Bigleaf doing to improve performance at this site? Dynamic QoS optimizations show how often Bigleaf automatically adjusted traffic prioritization to ensure critical applications received the resources they needed. Connectivity improvements show how much time Bigleaf helped prevent significant network disruptions that could have resulted in dropped calls, broken web sessions, disconnects, or other interruptions caused by complete connectivity failures. Performance improvements show how much time Bigleaf helped prevent degraded user experiences caused by brownout conditions such as congestion, packet loss, latency, and jitter. These are the kinds of issues that can make applications feel slow or unreliable, even when internet circuits remain technically online. Best path activations show how often Bigleaf automatically adjusted application routing to match traffic with the circuit best suited for its connectivity and performance requirements at that moment. Together, these metrics provide visibility into how Bigleaf continuously works behind the scenes to optimize application performance across all available circuits. And because Bigleaf maintains session continuity during connectivity events, users can continue working without even realizing an outage, brownout, or other network impairment occurred. Next, we can look at how traffic is being used across the site. The Data Transferred widget shows how much traffic is moving through the network and breaks it down by traffic category to help us understand what types of traffic are consuming bandwidth. We can review data across the entire site or focus on individual WAN circuits. The Identified Application Sessions widget complements this view by showing how many application sessions Bigleaf automatically identified and assigned to a QoS traffic class. Together, these views help explain what's happening on the network, both in terms of traffic volume and application activity. The bandwidth usage widget helps determine whether capacity could be contributing to performance issues. Here we can see average upload and download utilization as a percentage of the site's Bigleaf service plan. When utilization approaches capacity limits, this view can help determine whether additional bandwidth or traffic management may be needed to support business activity. The average latency widget provides another important data point. Latency represents the round-trip time from the Bigleaf network to the site after Bigleaf QoS optimizations. While bandwidth shows how much network capacity is being used, latency helps us understand how responsive the network is for applications and users. Reviewing latency trends alongside bandwidth utilization and traffic activity can help teams determine whether network conditions may be contributing to application performance concerns. Together, these widgets provide valuable context when evaluating site performance, helping teams understand both available capacity and overall network responsiveness. Finally, we can review the uptime section. While the previous widgets help explain site conditions and Bigleaf optimization activity, the uptime section helps show the resulting reliability delivered to the site. Here we can see uptime for the site as a whole, as well as uptime for each individual circuit. These uptime measurements are based on packet loss, providing a more meaningful view of connectivity, quality, and reliability. Because users often experience the effects of packet loss long before a carrier declares an outage, these metrics help connect network health to the experience being delivered to applications and users. In this example, overall site uptime remains very high, while WAN 3 shows lower uptime than the other circuits. When combined with the active alert we saw earlier, this gives us a clear indication of where to focus additional investigation. Ultimately, it helps validate whether the reliability being delivered to users matches the expectations of the business. By bringing together site condition, Bigleaf optimization activity, traffic insights, performance metrics, and uptime visibility, Cloud Connect makes it easier to understand both what's happening on the network and the experience being delivered to users every day. More importantly, it helps connect the actions Bigleaf takes behind the scenes with the outcomes businesses depend on: responsive applications, reliable communication, uninterrupted operations, and user productivity. Because great connectivity isn't just about keeping circuits online, it's about keeping people connected and productive.